We're getting a late start this morning. Doing something a little different. We're pheasant hunting. Last night a blizzard came in. Snowed about 3 inches. It's 4 degrees outside. And the wind gust is in the 50s. Caustic plenty gust in the 50s. So we're about to go duck some dogs on some public walk-in areas. See if we can't kill a few roosters. Never hunted a blizzard before. But I'll be fun. Alright, got first field of the morning. It's frozen. Good mark. See what happens. Yeah, I got it. I got another one up here somewhere. Here, I got it. I go for right there. The last field, Dayton. Not deal with it. They have to deal with it. It's his first pheasant trip. He's trying to kill one.
Don't edge yourself when you get out here.
Moon's down. Get ready, Dayton. Yeah, he's pointed.
You ready? See him? He's right in front of you. Are you ready? Get it, Boone. Get it.
Get it, Dayton! Ah, Dayton! Got him!
Here, Boone. Here, Boone.
Got it!
Here, Boone.
Yeah, I got it.
Here, Boone. Boone, here.
Good job, Dayton.
Boone, here. Where's he at? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, man. Drop it.
First bird, Dayton. Yeah, Dayton. What do you think, dude? Good job, Dayton.
Good job, Boone.
Ooh, easy. Here's one quick. That's right there, rooster. Right here.
Ready?
Here it goes, Dayton.
You ready?
Coming to you, Dayton. yeah. I got him!
Here, bud. Look, here.
Old truck out here. Is it still blinking?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, hey. No, there's one right up there. You see his tracks. Dog down. Wow!
One down. Yeah. Oh, no.
Wow!
Where's that one?
I got one in the field over there.
Where's it at? Yo, where's that bird?
He's down there in the field. Got him? Heck yeah.
Alright, let me catch up. Yeah, boom. Went on point on them.
I whiffed that time. Twice. There was a rooster going in front of us, so he's up in here somewhere. Rooster! Got him! I thought that may have been.
Yeah.
Should be dead right in there. Live one? Where's the dead one? Yeah, I thought he was hard.
Dead bird. Dead bird.
I got it, I got it.
You got it? There we go.
Heck yeah. Good job, Boone. Well, we finally got a break in the blizzard. We're headed back to Arkansas. We finished up today with a couple good fields. Started off a little slow. Believe it or not, yesterday there was not a stitch of snow anywhere out here. And I was knee deep today in a few places. And it's covered with snow. But birds finally held and we killed a couple. And Dayton killed his first bird on this trip. And I believe he's going to come back with us in November. What do you think about it, Dayton?
Oh, I think the birds finally held today, and boy, it's still coming down snow out there. It's kind of crazy. But then birds held today, and we got us a couple good fields we found and killed a couple of them out of there. We're hoping to come back in November, kill a couple more, you know, and get it done again.
Well, sounds good. Well, Papa Brown's got the party hat on, and we're headed back to the house. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my website and check out the other videos. Hopefully you like them all.